Left leads to the water slide. Forward leads to the Great Waterton Station. I love that. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the water. This adventure box contains a unique... This adventure box... The tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Well done! Well done! We all love your train set. Which toy will you choose now? This adventure box contains this adventure box can pick any toy you like. Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Left leads to... This adventure box contains... McCall's farm is coming up. Forward leads to the town square station. McCall's farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. That's the way! Awesome! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Just slice or tap it to open. Just slice or tap it to open. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. Can you move it out of the way? Absolutely! Good job! Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's perfect! Just spin the wheel to move the bridge. We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Forward. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Spin the wheel to rotate the track. Well done! Excellent! We're always happy to help. Pick any toy you'd like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Right leads to... Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's the way! That's perfect! Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. There's nothing left to unwrap, but these new packs are full of new toys to open. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set. In this mini builder pack, you'll get a brand new engine and This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to place in your train set, and a new exciting minigame. Get the Mega Bundle to add even more to your train set.